Hi. Welcome to Test Prep Training. Today's video is about how to clear AWS Solutions Architect Associate Exam. First, it is important to know, what is the AWS Solutions Architect Associate Exam? The AWS Solution Architect Associate Exam is specific to solution architects who have had credible hands-on experience in designing. The certification exam accounts for abilities to deploy applications on AWS that are secure and scalable. The certification qualifies you as an AWS solution architect, and thereby validates your skills in terms of design scalability, ingress, and egress of data to and from AWS services based on data, security, computing, etc. Who should take the certification? The certification is most suitable for candidates such as system engineers, developers enterprise, or solutions architects. Now, to understand about this exam, it is important to know the exam content. First, the examination contains two forms of questions, which is a multiple choice response, containing one correct answer alone out of the 4 options, and multiple response question that has 2 correct answers out of the 5 alternatives. Second, out of all the questions, it is important that the candidate answers each, since there is no negative marking for an incorrect answer. However, an unanswered question is considered to be a wrong answer. Third, the exam may incorporate certain unscored content for the purpose of surveys. These do not influence the test result in any way. How to prepare for your AWS Solutions Architect Associate Exam. First, white papers. Second, AWS Certification Preparation Book. Third, practice exams. Fourth, instructor LED training. Fifth, AWS YouTube channel. AWS Solutions Architect Associate Exam. Tips and tricks. There needs to be a degree of coordination between your knowledge, overall preparation, and the strategy you deploy in order to undertake the exam. These should take around 30 minutes in all. Finally, spends the rest of the time in solving the rather difficult questions. Get hands-on experience through the free tier that AWS avails for its services. Acquire clarity with your basics. For this, it is necessary that you go through the exam blueprint carefully. It would also be suggested that you primarily read a book that details the history of AWS, for instance, The Everything Stone by Brad Stone. For more such videos, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Also visit our website,